building a simple, reliable UiPath agent for sheet-driven AI enrichment. This use case demonstrates how to orchestrate a lightweight, production-ready pipeline in UiPath that reads rows from a Google Sheet, applies AI to enrich each record, and writes results back, cleanly, deterministically, and at scale. The flow uses a single JSON handoff between RPA workflows and an agent, LLM-backed, minimizes tool calls, one read, one write, and supports selective processing via filters. The same pattern generalizes from a single outcome, car brand guess, to multi-outcome enrichment, car brand and major nearby city, while preserving row alignment through an explicit row index. The structure is as follows. I have one RPA tool to read the data, one RPA tool to write the data, and the agent. The agent works very well when we pass a JSON array in and receive a JSON array out. So we'll use JSON for input and output. Here's how the agent is structured. I have two tools, read data and write data. Inside the agent's user prompt, I say, for each index in the input JSON array, call this inArray. First call the read data tool once, step 0 to get all rows. Then, for each object in the array, step 1, apply the rules and create a car guess. After that, call once to produce an out JSON that contains the row index and car guess. Finally, call the write data tool with this out JSON to write results back. That's the structure. Now let's look at the two RPA tools and what I have in the system prompt. On my personal account, I have a Google Sheet named KeyData, Sheet 1. To access it, I use readRange on KeyData Sheet 1 with has headers sound true. This returns a data table. I also need a row index so I can write data back to the correct row. I add a new column called RowIndex to the data table and populate it. The value is current loop index plus 2, because data tables are zero-based and the first row in the sheet is the header, so data starts on line 2. To convert the data table to JSON, I serialize it, e.g. with Newtonsoft.Json, into an array. This is my inArray. The JSON contains row index, key A, key B, key C, car guess, and city guess. We'll use these later. We send this JSON array to the agent. The second tool writes the results back to the Google Sheet. It receives out JSON with row index and car guess. I deserialize the JSON, iterate through its items, and write to key data Sheet 1. I write the car guess value in column D at the row indicated by row index. Then I write the value. Back to the agent. It reads all data from Excel, one call, runs the prompt to calculate a value for each element, and writes everything back to the Google Sheet. The system prompt defines the behavior. You are a precise, rule-based, deterministic agent. I describe what each tool does and what inputs it expects from the Excel sheet. Step 1 runs for each object in inArray. Inputs are key A, key B, and key C, strings. Run AI on these 3 words to guess the car company. For example, Maranello, V12, Cavallino, Ferrari, Aichi, Corolla, Hybrid, Toyota, and so on. AI is useful here because this mapping isn't easy to hard code with simple IF rules. If a car company cannot be determined, set car guess to NA. In the final step, build one out JSON containing row index and car guess, then call write data to persist the results. When the read data tool finishes, it produces a JSON array with all values and the row index. The agent then runs step 1, the AI guess, and finally calls write data to update cells. You can see results like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, Audi, one guess per row. The agent completes the job. Now let's go further and combine data. The 3 keywords might describe cars or cities. I'll replace some input rows with city data so the sheet contains half cars and half cities. I don't want to hard-coded answers in the sheet, so I remove any pre-filled values and adjust the agent. In the updated prompt, I define 2 outputs, car guess and city guess. I duplicate the writer so I have right car and right location. Car guess goes to column D, city guess goes to column E. In step 1, for each item, run AI on key B, key C to identify the car brand, and also run AI to identify a major nearby city, population 1 million, associated with that place. If a city cannot be determined, set city guess to NA. In the final step, produce out.json with RowIndex, car guess, and city guess, serialize it, and write both columns. Run the flow. The agent reads the data, generates the JSON, runs the model, and writes the results. It distinguishes which rows are cars and which are cities, and fills in both car guess and city guess as appropriate. You'll see Dacia, Fiat, Alfa Romeo, Tesla, etc., and the large cities associated with where the brands are produced, when identifiable. Next, let's add a simple filter so we only process some rows. I copy the agent to save time and modify the read data tool to accept an input filter. I still add RowIndex and then apply filter data table. For example, filter rows where column C starts with S or T, etc. I check keep matching rows only, then serialize the filtered data table to in array. Writing logic doesn't change. Write data still writes car guess and city guess. In the agent, step 0 now calls read data with the filter. The rest is the same. Run it with a filter, starts with S. The read data tool returns only 4 objects. The agent runs the LLM step, and then writes, e.g., NA car, Paris, Tokyo, Hyundai, Ulsan, Dacia, NA. If something can't be identified, e.g., a country or city, it returns NA. Now run it for rows starting with T. That's the idea behind using filters. Target only the lines you want to process. Conclusion. This pattern delivers a compact, dependable way to combine RPA with Agentic AI for spreadsheet-driven enrichment. By standardizing on a JSON array contract, anchoring writes with RowIndex, and collapsing operations to one read and one write, you get a solution that is easy to reason about, cheap to run, and straightforward to scale. Starting from car brand inference and expanding to nearby major cities, and then to filtered subsets, you can evolve the same architecture to new enrichment tasks, product categorization, geo-tagging, duplicate detection, etc., without changing the spine of the system. The result: faster iteration, clean governance, and business-ready outcomes with minimal operational overhead.